Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to add voiceover in PixVerse. So as we all know, the PixVerse is an AI that can generate your videos. Yeah, it's a pictures generator into the videos, and also you can add too many features on that platform. Even you can add your voice on that video that will be generated by PixVerse. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the voiceover in that platform. So let's head over into the PixVerse website. Alright, so that one with that icon. Okay, so after that I want you just to go into create right here on the left menu. So click on it, and after that I want you to go into the speech right here. Alright, and in this menu on the left. Alright, so right here what I want you to do, guys, is to go into the version, and I want to make sure that you have the last version. It's the V4, and right here I want to choose which voice that you want it to be on your video. So for example, you can hear the voices just by clicking on play right here, and you will be able to hear what or which sound they will put on your videos. So after you choose which one, alright, for example I choose that Liam. I want you just to go into the pick right here if you have the pro or premium version, alright, or subscription, and you can choose the create or you can choose the count from here. And after, you need the subscription too, and you will be able also to even download or upload your audio just by clicking on this one and click on upload video, this option. So you will speak on your microphone and it will be applied directly right here or downloaded directly right here. And here you just need to upload a video or a photo that you want to be generated. Alright, so or that you want to generate. Also right here you will type the lines that you want this AI voice to read on your video. For example, hello everyone, I love you all, for example, and then you just need to hit create. Anyways, that's it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.